Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee. Today, I just finished getting ready. I did a get ready with me using some new products. You're gonna see that. Hopefully I'll get to, I don't know which one of these will go up first, but anyway, what we're doing today is, I thought this was my Fabfitfun for spring, but it isn't. It's my Fabfitfun style box. So I got some things in here. I need to put a pause on this box, and I also have a fashion box here that I got to get through so I can mail back. But this one, they're going to charge me for everything. If you don't send it back, I think you have like 3 or 5 days. If you don't send it back, Fabfitfun will sell. They will charge you unless you have emailed them for an extension. So this is going back today. Anything that, excuse me, that I'm not keeping. This is $20 to get styled in this box, and you get a mailer to send everything back just like everything else. They did send like a little extra free gift. It was a pencil and a book that's a style icon, and there's a measurement thing here. So I'm guessing, usually there was no information at all about this. I'm guessing if you keep an item, you get to keep this. That's how they've done it in the past. So we're gonna set that aside. The first thing that I see is these Just Black denim. These are size 29, and they're this really pretty spring color. I actually have something very similar upstairs that I have never worn. They're from cut from the cloth. I just pulled them out, and I was like, those are pretty for spring. I need to wear them. I need to force myself to wear them. It's a pretty pastel. This is like a sage kind of robin's egg blue almost. But it's very, very similar to the pair that I have upstairs that are brand new that I've never wore. So we will try these on for you. They match beautifully with this next item you're going to see. And this next item is the one I really love. It's by Fate, and it's in a size medium. And it's like the really soft material, and it's got all these beautiful colors. It's a striped design. Does look a little short. So we'll see what that looks like, but it's so soft and cozy. I do have a pink tank under here, so I'll try that on because I think it is gonna be a little bit short. Sometimes too, when you wash these ones, they shrink, but take a look at how close the color match is. She did such a good job matching up the two colors here. So this will be a fun outfit to try on. And then there is a shirt with some metallic on it. This is a blouse for work. This is by Skies Are Blue, which I do like this brand. Oh, this is a dress. A dress? If it's a dress, it looks like it might be kind of short. So yeah, it's a dress. Oh goodness, okay. So we'll see what this looks like. So it's got like these leaves on it, or this design. I don't know, it looks maybe a leaf. And it's a V-neck, which I like. It comes down, it has a tie in the waist. It's got ruffles on the sleeve, and then kind of a big ruffle on the bottom. I don't know what I think about this big ruffle on the bottom. We'll try it on. Maybe I'll be surprised, but right off the bat, not feeling the love for this piece, but we'll try it on. We'll see. All right, so that's 3 items. Then what is this? This one is by Pret-a-Porter. And this is just a gray top with a square neckline, which is very, very in for trends for clothing this year. And it has a fluttery, little bit of a longer sleeve on it. And then it just kind of comes straight down. I think Favor got a Pret-a-Porter t-shirt as well, a gray thing, but not this one. She got a different one. So all of my sizes, unless stated otherwise in tops or mediums, pants are usually about size 29. All right, so then I got this top, which looked really cute for the spring. This might be a great top to take on vacation. It's nice and lightweight, by Collective Concepts, and it's a tank, and it's a blue color with a white and red striping going through it. It's see-through, you can tell, and it's got a kind of a blousey on the bottom. It's kind of got like that elastic kind of tuck in. You do need to wear something under here, but a red tank top or a navy blue cami or something would be beautiful under here. I'll probably just tie it on with the cami I'm wearing just so we can see what it looks like. And then I also got, whoa, falling, hello. Okay, so then I also got this purse, which is really cute. I just don't need it, but I'm gonna show it to you, and it's by Antique Craft, never heard of them, and it's got this metal detailing along the bottom and this braiding of the leather at the top, and then you've got this leather tassel. I'm guessing that this is a crossbody. Yeah, so you have a pocket up front, and it's got navy blue. I just dropped everything. Navy blue and little like a little design and then you have your crossbody. So we'll put that with one of the outfits so you guys can see what that looks like. Like I said, I don't need that because I have all the purses from Bolzano. However, we'll look at it because if you may want to request it. So, and we will go over prices at the end. So let's get to trying on. Okay, so I have the little t-shirt on. This is a cute t-shirt. It's extremely soft, which I think is what Favor said about the one she got. It does fit a little bit. It's kind of loose. It kind of just lays on you nicely. It's got the sleeves. I do like the neckline. This is a nice little basic, very lightweight little top. It will be great when it's kind of warm outside. I really like the neckline of it. I think the neckline is flattering and the arms are cute too. So this is a nice little t-shirt if you need this. What are you doing, baby? Chop chops. I like when Chopper puts his ears up. Put your ears up, Choppy. Choppy. He's putting them down. He thinks he's in trouble. You're not in trouble. All right. So anyway, here we go. There is that. I like this. I don't need clothes. I'm being very picky right now because I have too many clothes. I have so many clothes that I'm overflowing and walking over things in piles everywhere. I'm trying to get stuff set aside for Poshmark for you guys, and which I will leave my Poshmark below. There's nothing new if you've checked recently. I haven't put anything up recent. But I'm going to probably, I hope I can do some this weekend. I don't know. I'm so behind with all the stuff I have to get done in 2 days. So we'll see. But this is cute. I don't know what the price is yet, so we'll discuss keeping it at the end. Okay, here is the tank. It is got that little like kind of cross here, which I didn't realize. So it's got a little blouson effect at your belly to kind of keep things from showing. I like it. I think though that possibly, I don't know about the colors. Am I looking washed out or do I look okay? When I stand back, I feel like I look washed out, and then it does come up at a decent like height under the armpit, so it does show my armpit fat, but I mean, what are you gonna do? You have it, you know? You have it. So here it is, and I have a tank under it, so ignore. Okay, this is cute. I need some summer items. I don't know about this or not, but we'll see the price and find out. All right, I'm being lazy with this dress because I already know it's a no for me. It's fine up here. The ruffle hits me at a really weird spot in my waist, and it's a little tight where it's hitting me at my waist. I don't like where the ruffle hits. I don't like the ruffle movement, Nitro. So my jeans are still on. But here it is. It's tight right here on my hips. Nitro, go lay down or something. So this is a no. I feel like this is a little kid dress. Like, how old are we? I don't like this. Nitro, stop it. Go lay down. You're driving me crazy. Yeah, this is a no for me. I just don't like how it looks, and it feels bad. The arms are long again, which is a problem I have. I think I need petite dresses maybe. And then this is just too tight on my hips, so I would never wear this. Could I get away with it? Yeah, but then you lift your arms and it goes like that, and now it's super, super short. Oh, I don't like this. I don't like how this looks at all. So sorry guys, if you like this one is just not gonna fit me and my body style. Okay, I really like this top, but it's short, so I need your opinion. I have it with my cami under it. I also have the just black jeans on. Looks so cute with this. I think I'd have to wear a cami all the time if I under here because it's just too short. It sits at an odd spot. And I'm gonna check the fabric content because I think this might shrink. Right now it fits great. Here is my cami, so it's the same color, and here's the end of the top. So if you lift up, I mean, this is like a cropped top. If I wear a cami, maybe we're okay. And here are the pants. They fit like a glove. I mean, they are on me like, they are like stuck to me, girls. They are feeling really nice though. There's a little bit of stretch. Lift that up. That's what the butt looks like. I mean, it's lifting and holding everything up back there. And that's a feat in and of itself for a pair of jeans for me. So I do like these pants, but I do have a pair upstairs that are almost the same color, maybe a little brighter than this, that I haven't worn because I don't know, I just haven't worn them. I feel like you need very specific things to wear with those, and maybe I don't have the right stuff, or maybe I can't find what I have. So, so here is the full outfit. I still have to clean all this up this weekend too, get all our Valentine's stuff down. I didn't want to take it down because I think it's pretty, but it's time. I may keep those gnomes there, they're just fun. All right, so, oh, I like this top. I like this top. Even though it's short with the little tank, I'm cool with it with the little tank under it. I don't know. Oh, I gotta show you the crossbody bag. All right, I'm wearing it as a crossbody. Here it is. So you can easily get into it. It's a little stiff. It might be real leather, I don't know. I think it'll loosen up a little after you get used to using it. It's a nice little bag for shopping, but you don't want something too heavy. It's nice. Or you could just wear it on your shoulder. And it is adjustable, the strap on your shoulder, so if you didn't want something, if you wanted it a little shorter, like up here, you could adjust it with the strap. This is probably a little bit long for me. So, but it's got, it can shorten up to here, so you can kind of pull it up a little bit. So, yeah, that's nice. All right, guys, I think it's time that I really like this outfit together. I think it's time that we talk prices. So hang tight, I'll be right back. Okay, so let's talk about the pants. So the pants regular price are $89. If you keep everything, you get a 25% discount. So these would be $66.75 if I were to keep everything, but we already know I'm not, because I really do not like the dress. So I won't get the discount. So if I wanted to keep these, I'm paying $89. And while I really like them, I really thought they felt good. They look good. There's a loose string on them though. I think that I have a pair upstairs and they're colored denim that's almost exactly the same. And if I haven't been able to find time to wear those in the last year, I don't have any like purpose in keeping those right now. So this, on the other hand, is $50 if I don't get a discount and $37.50 if I do keep it. So if it's the only thing I keep, I just get my $20 off. I'd pay $30 for this. I like this, guys. Tell me what you think. Am I too old to wear a crop like this? Is it too short on me? I obviously wouldn't wear it by itself because I don't want my stomach showing if I lift it up, but I would wear it with this cami that I have on. So the way that I wore it, does that look good? Let me know. All right, so there's that. Then we have the dress. Luna Gold foil print ruffle dress, and this is $64, overpriced in my opinion. With the discount, it would be $48. It felt to me like a little kid dress. It didn't sit over my hips nice. The arms were too long. Not a good fit. So this one I'm not keeping. That's going back. All right. So then we have the a Mira striped surplice top, $48. Kind of pricey for that too. I mean, it's extremely thin for what it is. With the discount, $36. Probably not going to get that either. This little gray guy I like. Oh, this little gray guy is only $20. Honestly, I could just keep this if I wanted, and that would be my $20 fee, and I could send the rest back. That's something to think. I liked that. I did like that. So one of my little things came off. All right, and then the little purse, Eleanor braided crossbody in tan. This is $52. Not a bad price. It's a nice little purse. It's really, really cute. And if you got the discount, you'd get it for $39, and that's a good price. So, so those are all my items. I don't really know what I'm going to do. That gray top I like, and also the striped type I like. Please leave your comments below what you think. Which you think I should keep? What do you think I should send back? Not a bad box, all in all. Really, the only thing I truly didn't like was that foiled dress. That's the only thing like I was like, I hate, I hate this, but everything else I kind of liked. I just don't need all of it, and so I'm not keeping all of it. But that's the fun of these boxes. You find a couple pieces you enjoy, a couple pieces you want to keep, and the rest you send back, and you can do it in the comfort of your own home, and tomorrow you wake up and you have the items here. I didn't have to go spend gas to get back and forth to somewhere. And when I'm out, I always end up getting like drinks or Starbucks or something or food, and I didn't spend that. I didn't have to sit and go try things on in a dressing room and get completely undressed in those places with the unflattering mirrors. If you have little kids, oh my God, how much I hated taking children into a dressing room when I had to buy something. I so wish this service was there when my children were little, but it didn't exist. So any of these services. So anyway, for me, it's worth it. Do you pay? Could you maybe find some items if you took the time to go shopping yourself on clearance at a better price? You absolutely can, if you have time to do that. Mine is an issue of this is a convenience. I really don't have time. Yesterday, I had an emergency situation on lunch break for work. I spilled soda. The lady didn't put the top on right, and it spilled all down my front. It was so bad, I had to run over to Cato on my lunch break and buy a new top and pants. I ended up picking up 2 pairs of pants and a top. I got a really cute little soft pink brush knit sweater for $10 or $9.99, I think it was, and the pants were like 20 bucks, and I got 2 pairs of work pants. So you can definitely find things cheaper if you want to do the shopping yourself. But for all those reasons I mentioned, that's why I do Stitch Fix. Mostly it's convenience. I really just don't have time to shop, and it's so much easier to have it sent to me and just try it on here. So plus I can do a video with you guys. So anyhow, let me know. I'm thinking of the gray t-shirt as well as that sweater, and I'd love your opinions on what you think. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you're interested in Fabfitfun style, I will have my link below. I don't know anymore if you have to be getting the regular box to be able to get this. You may not. Just try my link, see if it works if you're interested. And I don't know if I even get anything if you use my link. I think it gives me $15 credit, which I think I can then use towards, I never see credit on this. I know some of you guys have used this box or used my link. If you've used my link to get this box, let me know. I have never gotten a single credit for this box. But I think that there's been a time or two I have credits for the Fabfitfun box, so you can use it for add-ons and stuff like that. So I think that's where your credits go if you get credits. I've never seen credits here towards clothing. So anyhow, that's the rest. That's the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I've enjoyed spending time with you this morning, and I will see you in the next video. We have lots more coming up. Stay tuned. Bye, guys. Oh, and subscribe.